Okay, so these are affirmations Seth inspired. And with these, you guys can run and hopefully create your own. And hopefully everyone is doing daily affirmations. But if you are aware of the Seth material, you will hear Seth everywhere in this. So, here goes. I am conscious of all my thoughts, beliefs, desires, and intents. With these, I create my own reality. I am aware of my limiting beliefs, and I know I have only to contemplate what helped to form them, to acknowledge them, and then need only to remove and replace them with positive, more beneficial beliefs. In the deepest layers of my dreaming, I know I am closest to my true home, and when I awaken from sleep, I will recall my dreaming activities and write them down with great detail. Analysis of my inner mind will clearly unfold before me. I know all the questions I seek answers for are right here before me, within me now. I need only to quiet my prejudices, my assumptions about the exterior world. Nature is my greatest teacher. I am not its master. Unity lies through and within everything. We are all one. I strive to always seek my greatest fulfillment, but never at the expense of another, for the ends do not justify the means. I feel deep within this constant creation of manifestations, the great interconnected weavings of all of life, and if I inflict pain upon any other self, I know it is myself that I really harm. I love myself, all of life, and all of its creations, for within it all lies the potential for catalysts of self-awareness, understanding, and challenges for a migration of change, a spiritual evolution. All life is sacred beyond comparing, equally important, and everything I personally see is a reflection of an aspect within me. Therefore, I choose to focus on equanimity, not only for myself, but for all. I know that I get what I focus upon, so with great intent, I focus on peaceful nations, peaceful peoples, a wholeness one for another, a protected love of Mother Nature, all creatures held with a loving equality, no one more important than another. I know my challenges and aim to overcome them. They are mine by my own design. I know the moment point is my place of greatest personal power, for here, now, is where I dictate my own life. I can choose to follow my propensities or choose to be spontaneous and step out of the monotony, changing probabilities in an instant. Either way, I know it is my choice, and I will choose it consciously. I can hear and sense my natural impulses. This is my subtle inner self, nudging and guiding me. Again, I need only to listen. The God that is within you, for you are a part of all that is.